Hello everyone, this is our vending machine controller for sanitary napkin, cigarette vending machine, diaper vending machine. This controller comes with wire harness for coin acceptor, motor and power. Here you connect motor harness, here you connect coin acceptor harness, here you connect power harness. These are the setting keys to set the parameters of the board. This machine can drive up to 5 motors. So I'll show you how to power it on and how to set the parameters. To configure the board, press up and down keys simultaneously and then power on the board. This goes into setting mode. So here you can set the price by up down keys. You can set the price by pressing set. You can update the price. The stock is total number of items in your machine. So here I will set 25. Number of motors, how many motors are there in your machine? These are up to 5 motors. So I'll set 3 numbers. So as you can see, in stock 25 and insert coin. So when we connect this is the testing board, and when we connect the coin acceptor to the machine, and insert coin, it will dispense the product. As you can see, when I insert the coin, the LED goes up. This demonstrates your motor, and the rotation of motor is sequential, means it dispenses from each motor one by one. As you can see, there is only one product left in the machine, and when we dispense it, it shows product out of stock, and in this state coin acceptor does not accept the coin. The stock, you just have to press the center button. Thank you.